Have you ever wondered how you can start making money online with affiliate marketing even as a complete beginner? I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. Hey, what's going on? My name is Benjamin, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can start making money online using affiliate marketing even as a complete beginner in 2022. So with that being said, let me just get right into this video. So first of all, let me explain what affiliate marketing is, because I know some people, they get it confused with other business models. So affiliate marketing is where you're promoting products from other companies online, and every time you send that company a new customer, you earn a commission. So let's say, for example, I'm reviewing this video light right here. So this is just a simple light that you can buy on Amazon, and it just gives you like it has cool effects to it, and it gives your video a certain ambiance when you put it in the background of your videos. So if I were to do a review on this specific light, I would talk about the different features of it. I would talk about the pricing of it. And I would also let people know if they were interested in buying this light for themselves, where they can buy it. And usually I would have my affiliate link in the description of the video, and that would take them to Amazon, which is where I bought this light from. And if they wanted to buy it, then I would earn a commission from it if they clicked on my affiliate link. So that's a simple explanation of what affiliate marketing is, where you're just getting paid to refer people to buy a product from a company's website. Now, to sign up and get started with an affiliate program, there's basically two ways that you can find out if a company that you're interested in has an affiliate program. So the first thing you can do is you can go to google.com, and then you're gonna type in the company name that you're interested in, and then type in affiliate program after that. So for example, if you go to Google and you type in Amazon, and then you would type in affiliate program after that, you're gonna see some results come up, and Amazon does have an affiliate program. Or another way that you can find out if a company has an affiliate program is if you go to the company's homepage and you scroll all the way down to the bottom, and usually they have a section that says become an affiliate or sign up as an affiliate. Now, not every website has a section for affiliates, but they do have an affiliate program. So I would recommend just searching in Google first for the company that you're interested in, and then type in affiliate program after that. Now, it's pretty simple to sign up with an affiliate program, but what you're going to want to do is focus on a niche. So basically, you're going to pick a specific category that you're going to focus on, because if you're promoting random products that are completely unrelated, you're going to have a hard time getting people to purchase those products. So for the example that I used earlier of that video light, that can be one product that I'm promoting. But if I'm promoting something else that's completely unrelated, maybe like a toaster, it's gonna be kind of difficult for me to recommend those products and have people buy those products. Because somebody who's interested in purchasing a video light for their YouTube videos, they probably have no interest at all in buying a toaster. So that's why it's important to first decide what niche that you wanna go with. And there's plenty of different niches out there that you can choose that can make you a ton of money. So the three most important niches are gonna be wealth, health, and relationships. So these are what's known as evergreen niches, meaning that they're always profitable and they're always in demand. Because if you go with wealth, people are always looking to make more money. If you go with health, there's always people who are looking to be more healthier, lose weight, and just live longer. And if you go with relationships, there's always people who are struggling with their relationships. Maybe they're looking for a significant other, or they're just looking to improve their current relationship. But there's plenty of other niches out there that you can choose that are definitely profitable. So if you go with something that's related to the tech and gadget niche, you can focus on something more specific, like video equipment. So if you're talking about camera gear, tripods, camera lenses, lighting, that's a great niche to go with, and that's something that you can find a bunch of products to recommend. Okay, so real quick, I just want to say, if you're getting value from this video so far, if you're enjoying it, make sure to hit that like button. And if you're also interested in learning different ways to make money online, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. Now, when it comes to signing up with an affiliate program, each company has their own different requirements and they pay out different commissions. So this is something that you would have to do your research and look into before you get started with an affiliate program. Because if you're going to be creating content, promoting certain products, you're going to want to make sure that you're going to be earning decent commissions every time that you recommend a product that somebody buys. Now, a question that you might be asking is, how do I even promote products? Well, the easiest way to do it is to create content. You can do product unboxings, you can do product reviews, or you can just do your research on other people who have purchased that product that you're promoting and just talk about the pros and cons about that product. And you can create content using social media, or if you have your own website or blog, you can write blog articles and post it on your website. Now, some affiliate programs, they do require you to have your own website or your own blog, but nowadays, most of them are becoming a little bit more lenient, and I think they're starting to realize the power of using social media. So you can also use your YouTube channel, you can use Facebook, Instagram, even TikTok to promote affiliate products. Now, when it comes to creating content, it's important to create value in your content so people can actually see the benefit of using the product that you're promoting to them. If you're just promoting a product because it's gonna make you a decent commission, or you're just trying to make a quick buck, people are gonna kind of see through that, and they're not gonna really wanna purchase or buy anything that you're recommending to them if you're not delivering any value at all, if you're just telling them, hey, buy this product. So when it comes to promoting a product, I recommend that you promote a product that you use personally, or do your research and make sure that it's gonna be a good product for them if they purchase it. When you create content and you're delivering value and you're showing your audience that you actually care about them instead of just trying to make a quick sale, they're gonna know, like, and trust you, and they're more likely to buy something that you're recommending to them. Okay, so let's say that you signed up for an affiliate program, you found a product, you even created a review video about that product. Now, how do you get people to click on the link and purchase the product that you're recommending to them? Well, you can just give them a simple call to action. You can say something like, hey, if you're interested in getting this product for yourself, click on the link in the description of this video to check it out. Or you can say something like, hey, if you're interested in getting this product for yourself, I'll have the link in the description of this video. Now, if you want to learn a more detailed and in-depth training on how to earn using affiliate marketing, I recommend checking out the 15-day Business Builder Challenge. I'll have that linked in the description of this video. And this is something that I went through personally, and it taught me so much on how to start earning with affiliate marketing. And if you're also interested in how to earn with affiliate marketing using TikTok, I recommend you check out this video right here. Well, I hope you learned something in this video, and if you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And with that being said, I'll see you in the next one.